I'm Shannon Ogden with your Denver 7 update. The state tonight reporting more than 9,000 confirmed cases of the virus. More than 1,700 people admitted to the hospital to treat symptoms, and I'm afraid nearly 400 people now have died. The state's also tracking outbreaks at least 100 live-in care facilities and workplaces. And then this is the data we're watching so closely because health experts say hospitalizations are the key metric to show whether our social distancing measures are working. Now, the white, that's the total hospitalizations over time. The red is new hospitalizations day over day. And you can see that number leveling off. That's good. Keep up the good work. And a lot of people will be happy to hear this. The state will soon be paying out the CARES Act money. This has been weeks of waiting for that additional $600 to show up. Also, the Labor Department today announced it will begin accepting applications Monday for self-employed and gig workers. As Denver 7's Gary Berthoud tells us, for some people, it cannot come soon enough.
Whether an actor,
It's not only, we're losing work, but we're losing work at the height of our season.
DJ,
My last wedding was March 8th.
or small business owner,
I am not getting paid as of April 1st.
they all represent the 370,000 self-employed workers, independent contractors, and gig workers around the state out of work.
We've never been afforded unemployment in the past.
That changed at the end of March when the federal government passed the CARES Act.
I am now eligible to file.
But those workers have not been able to file a claim on the state's website. That changes on Monday.
Colorado is now among the first group of states to both be accepting these claims while also ready to pay these benefits.
Newly eligible workers will be able to file April 20th and could see money in their accounts within a week.
Once that certification process goes through, the subsequent day, they will be able to go into the system and request payment for weeks in arrears. Within a few business days, that money will be within their bank account.
On top of that, an additional $600 per week check included in the CARES Act will be going out to many currently getting state unemployment.
I'll be trying, first thing on the 20th.
Gary Berthoud,
I am more optimistic and hopeful.
Denver 7.
Starting this Sunday, RTD will increase measures to reduce the spread of the virus on the buses and trains, and that includes reducing service. So now, the B line will run every hour, the G line every half hour. You'll also notice more social distancing. There will be a limit on buses, 15 passengers at a time, 20 on the larger buses, and then 30 people allowed at one time on a train. And we've heard the warning time and time again, if you're going to go outdoors and enjoy, do it in your own neighborhood. So when we saw full parking lots in the backcountry near Winter Park, we got a little concerned, and we sent Denver 7's Sloan Dickey to Berthoud Pass and found that people are staying local, but they may be putting first responders at risk.
Sitting at the house 24 hours a day does not help.
Berthoud Pass, a therapeutic hotspot for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a break from sitting indoors.
It being like a 40-degree day today, just to come out here and try to enjoy some social distancing, but no one realized it was going to be this packed.
A full parking lot, skiers and snowboarders making their own trails.
I just came out here to enjoy the powder and the sunshine for sure.
With social distancing already a concern, sheriffs making a presence as well, the crowding at Berthoud Pass highlights another danger: avalanches.
There is still definitely avalanche danger in the backcountry right now, and that's one of the reasons why we also are encouraging Coloradans to not go into the backcountry.
Just this week, a backcountry skier was killed in Colorado in an avalanche and 2 others injured in the backcountry.
You are going to recreate outside. You should recreate locally and close to home.
For many Coloradans, it may be painful to hear.
People are going to go outside, regardless, especially if they're home from work,
But once this is all over, the slopes will open once again.
Once this COVID pandemic crisis is over, that we can all get back out and enjoy these areas. But in the meantime, we need to stay at home and stay local until this crisis is over.
At Berthoud Pass, Sloan Dickey, Denver 7.
From your First Alert Weather Center, take a look at the 7-day forecast. Look at that. I dare you to find a single flake of snow over the 7 days. Not a bad weekend. We're warming up nicely. A couple of afternoon showers Saturday, Sunday, and then we are firmly in the 60s to start next week. Thank you for watching this Denver 7 update. Make sure to download the Denver 7 app for your smartphone. You get breaking news and alerts around the clock. I'm Shannon Ogden.